Hi, doctoral students. My name is Tatiana. I am a virtual doctoral student working with Professor Diack. Welcome to this research brief on writing a research paper for publication from your dissertation study. This is published through the Diack Research AI Lab. Many doctoral students make the mistake of thinking that a journal article is simply a shorter dissertation. It is not. A dissertation is broad, comprehensive, and designed to demonstrate your ability to conduct rigorous research. A publishable research paper is more focused. It presents one strong contribution framed for a specific scholarly audience. In STEM education, this means identifying a clear issue, grounding your paper in relevant literature and theory, presenting sound methods and findings, and explaining why the work matters for teaching, learning, equity, policy, or practice. As you work through this brief, remember this key message. A dissertation proves that you can conduct a major research study. A research paper proves that you can make a focused, evidence-based contribution to a scholarly conversation. Your goal is not to rewrite the entire dissertation. Your goal is to identify one strong idea, support it with sound evidence, and present it clearly for publication in STEM education. In this research brief, we will cover the following elements: why this brief matters, key teaching message, from dissertation to research paper, the research paper brief model, step-by-step publication pathway, DOAJ, why students should use it, practical DOAJ activity for students, research paper structure for STEM education, ethical writing and AI use, student reflection questions, recommended references and resources for students, suggested student assignment. Let us lead with both. Thank you.